Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2026 Mazda CX-90? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features a sleek, driver-centric layout with a sharp digital display. It also includes a central touchscreen with intuitive controls for navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The 12.3-inch full-color infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration for navigation and media control. The 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster that displays speedometer, tachometer, fuel gauges, trip info, warnings, and driver assist status in a crisp TFT layout. The 8-speed SkyActiv Drive automatic transmission with manual shift or paddle shifter capability for responsive shifting and driver control. The leather-wrapped and heated steering wheel with mounted controls for audio, cruise control, and driver assist for easy access without taking hands off the wheel. The Tri-Zone automatic climate control keeps the front, rear, and third row cabin temperatures balanced, plus dedicated rear and third row AC vents for passenger comfort. A turbocharged 3.3-liter inline-six engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid system producing around 280 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque in base turbo models. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Brake system warning light. Hybrid system warning light. Malfunction indicator lamp. Charging system indicator. Electronic parking brake warning light. Engine oil pressure warning light. Forward safety warning light. Seatbelt reminder indicator. Low washer fluid warning light. High temperature indicator. Anti-lock brake system indicator. Crash sensors and airbag indicator. Electric power steering system indicator. Vehicle stability assist system indicator. Vehicle stability assist off indicator. Low tire pressure or TPMS indicator. Electronic parking brake warning light. Turn signal and hazard warning indicators. Lights on indicator. High beam indicator. Auto high beam indicator. Fog light indicator. Front passenger airbag status light. Door ajar warning light. Active sense warning light. Check fuel cap indicator light. Low fuel level warning light. Master warning light. Child safety door lock or unlock indicator light. Child seat lower anchor indicator light. Lane safety indicator light. Lane centering indicator. Key indicator light. All-wheel drive warning light. Automatic transmission warning light. I stop warning light. Auto stop off indicator light. Auto stop indicator light. Fuel pump reset indicator light. Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.